Okay, today I'm going to show you this rice paper wrap that I love. I use this a lot for, and you may see them when you go to different Asian restaurants, but it's these rice paper. You can buy these little wraps in most groceries, honestly, Kroger, Meijer, literally anywhere. And what you're gonna do, it's fascinating. They're like these little dehydrated rice papers, so it feels almost like plastic when you open them. Okay, hold on, these are sticking. So sometimes they do, comes in so many in a packet, and so you can, they store for a long time. They don't go bad for a long time. So it's this very clear, almost like I said, like a crisp. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it in some warm water and you're going to just let it sit. And usually like a plate like this, something that you can dip it in, a bowl or a flat plate, and you just let it sit there for a minute. And then you can fill it with whatever you enjoy. This is really fun. The kids have fun with this. I let them just kind of design their own. And usually I'll do a protein. I've got chicken here and tofu. I usually do tofu. The rest of the family typically does chicken, but honestly, there's so many great benefits to both of them. So I would say, you know, whatever. You could honestly put pork or beef. You don't even have to put a protein. You could just do a veggie wrap. And then I usually have some form of veggies. So this is what we had today. I have some carrots and some cucumbers and broccoli and some bean sprouts. I usually do some form of a green. Today I had parsley in there. Sometimes I'll put spinach or lettuce or basil. So it's a good little flavorful addition. And you're eating in your rainbow. Okay, so now I can start to feel it. It's starting to get a little rubbery and it'll get real soft. You almost think that, so if you're still feeling some crispy in there, you want to give it a little more time. And it doesn't have to be hot, just some warm water. We're so close. And then it's going to be really thin and feel like you can, almost like it's falling apart. We're almost there, and I'm going to then pick it up, and it's not going to look perfect. It's going to get stuck to itself. It's kind of a little sticky when it's done, which is fine. And so what you're going to do now, so again, it is definitely kind of a hard thing to hold on to, and I usually just lay it down on a surface, and then I'll easily spread it out, and then you just start at like a little, not quite into the middle, like maybe a third of the way in, so that we can fold over the edges. So it is laying here like this, and so I'll probably start like a third of the way in, and I usually will put down a little bit of my greens. After that, I'll put down any protein I want. I'm going to do tofu in this one. Don't overfill it. That is a secret, and you're just going to have to play around with it. And then let's just throw in whatever veggies we like. So I'm going to put a little bit of everything, honestly. And then you can fill it up. So there we are. You can see pretty decent fill. So there I am. So I'm going to take the edge and fold it over. So I've kind of made a little cover. And then I'm going to take each other end and I'm going to fold them in. So again, I'll kind of shove the veggies and everything in like that. So now it looks like this. And then I'm just going to roll it. And then you roll it over and over until it's closed. And voila, there you have your little, it looks kind of like a little egg roll or a little spring roll. So there we are. And then you can just keep going. Even though this one is like cracked, I'll just put it in here because they kind of, you can seal it together when you're done, and you can just keep filling them up and enjoy. And a lot of times we'll put things like, we'll make a peanut dipping sauce. You can do a soy ginger. Sometimes you can even buy healthy sauces in the grocery that you might enjoy. Or you don't have to put anything on it. You can just have it as a side, as a lunch. So, hope you enjoy.